let's get baking. I'm kicking things off by whisking together some flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And I'm starting with my favorite peanut butter cookies. A little smooth and a little crunchy. That's the secret to a great peanut butter cookie. You beat the butter and sugars like this, it adds air and makes a beautifully crumbly, crunchy cookie. Adding the flour mixture bit by bit really ensures that it mixes in well. I'm gonna let these chill in the refrigerator so that they don't spread too much in the oven. I want them crunchy on the edges, but still with that chewy inside. Believe it or not, I do have friends who don't have a sweet tooth, but they love these cookies because they're so salty and crunchy and just not too sweet. There's only one thing better than a peanut butter cookie. A peanut butter cookie sandwich! And for that, I need a luscious, creamy filling. That is the best darn peanut butter cookie I have ever had. It's perfect for a picnic.